If you're a plumbing company that's looking for a new website, or if you're looking to update your existing one, it's important that you go about things with a plan. A lot of companies will just throw something together and hope for the best, but by focusing on the tips I'm about to share in this video, you can make sure that you truly get the most out of your plumbing website. Ensure your website has a modern, professional design. Your website needs to reflect your business. It should look as sharp as I do. A modern design tells customers you're active, professional, and established. A poor design creates a poor first impression, no matter how good your work is. This isn't the time to be humble. Highlight why you're good at what you do and put your best foot forward. Make it very easy for customers to contact you. It's important to include a phone number on every single page of your website in a very clear and prominent position. Ideally, I would suggest putting your phone number in the header of your website. Ensure that you use multiple calls to action throughout your website. Have them at the top of the page, have them in the middle of the page, have them at the bottom of the page, have them at the side of the page. When it comes to your plumbing website, you really can't put too many calls to action. Another important thing to consider is utilising a chat box if you have a member of staff who can monitor it. Build a strong About Us page. Your About Us page should talk about your team, your years in business, your company's values, what sets you apart, everything to put your best foot forward. Make sure that you're adding real images of your team. Make sure you add real images of your premises. This is all going to help you build trust and show your personality. Mention your key selling points and your strengths early on in your About Us page to make sure that people really understand what it is that sets your plumbing company apart from the other plumbing companies. You also want to make sure that you're presenting your business as competent, trustworthy, and successful. This is all about building trust with your future customers. Use real photos of your team. Remember, people buy from people, and it's the faces that build trust. Show your team while they're at work. Show their vans. Show them wearing your branded clothing. Show your happy customers. This all helps to show your new customers that you're an established company that they can trust. Avoid using stock photos. People can tell when the images are not real, whereas your real images humanize the brand and build confidence. You don't need to hire a professional photographer for this. In fact, a standard iPhone will capture suitable images for your website. Build your website on a professional platform and avoid the amateur website builders like Wix and Weebly. These platforms are incredibly cheap, but they don't reflect the quality of your plumbing company. So use a platform like WordPress instead. WordPress is scalable, customizable, and SEO friendly. This is going to make it easier for you to build on your website as your company grows. Ensure you have a clean, easy to navigate design. Make sure that you're creating a simple menu structure that's got a logical page hierarchy. Avoid the clutter. It should be very easy for people to find what it is that they need fast. Make it very easy for your customers to see all of the plumbing services that you offer. And it's also important to ensure that your website has fast page load times. This is critical for both search engines and your customers. Showcase your reviews everywhere. Include the review snippet on every single page, even if it's repeated. Create a dedicated reviews page. This all helps your customers imagine the sort of service that they're likely to receive from your company. And display any memberships or certifications that your company holds in the footer of your website. This is again all about building trust in these potential customers' minds. Include your basic pricing information. This doesn't need to be exact, just state your starting prices or your price ranges. This is going to help you build trust with customers, and it will also help you to weed out the time wasters. Customers feel more in control when the pricing is more transparent, which often leads to an increase in your overall conversions. If you would like any help creating a new website for your plumbing business, feel free to get in touch with us at Footsteps Design. We've been building websites for over 20 years and have helped plenty of businesses like yours create websites that truly support their goals. Thank you.